This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to send a Surveymonkey survey as a link. If you've created a survey and are looking to distribute it efficiently, sending it as a link is a great option. Links are versatile and can be shared across various platforms, whether through email, social media, or even embedded on a website. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to surveymonkey.com. This is the official site where you can manage all your surveys. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing your surveys and sending them out. Once you're on the home page and logged in, look for the All Surveys option. This is typically located in the main menu or highlighted on your dashboard. Clicking on All Surveys will take you to a list of all the surveys you've created. Here, you can view details, edit, or proceed to distribute any of your surveys. Next, select the survey you wish to send. Clicking on the survey title will open up more options related to that specific survey. Look for a button or link that says Send Survey. This is your gateway to sharing your survey with others, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking Send Survey, you'll be directed to a page with various sending options. SurveyMonkey provides multiple ways to distribute your survey, but for our purpose today, we're interested in sending it as a link. Look for the option that says More Ways to Send and click on it. Here, you'll find the Share a Link option. Selecting this will generate a unique URL for your survey. Now that you have the link, you can easily copy it and share it through any medium you choose, whether you're pasting it into an email, posting it on social media, or embedding it on a website. This link will direct recipients straight to your survey. It's as simple as that. Sharing a survey via a link is not only straightforward, but also increases the accessibility and reach of your survey. Anyone with the link can access the survey, making it an ideal choice for reaching a broad audience. A couple of tips to keep in mind: always ensure your survey is set to the correct privacy settings before sharing. You want to make sure that the intended audience can access it without any issues. Also, consider the best platforms for reaching your target audience when deciding where to share your link. And there you have it. Sending a SurveyMonkey survey as a link is a quick and effective way to distribute your survey to a wide audience. Remember that the process is straightforward once you know where to navigate within the SurveyMonkey interface. Thank you for watching this quick guide, and happy surveying.